Hi, and welcome to my video today. I'm so happy to have you here. Just want to say if you like these videos, please give them a thumbs up so that I know to make more of them. I appreciate you watching. So today I am starting with a mixed media paper. It's pretty heavy, and I had put on some leftover paints from something I made before. So I just used this as a foundation to kind of get some inspiration. What I'm layering on right now are just some basic collage papers. The two on the right side I actually made on my jelly plate, and the one on the left is from scrapbook paper. This one I'm putting down right now is also from my jelly plate, just some collage papers that I wanted to make different colors so that I had them to play with. And I love saving the scraps from doing other projects so I could kind of just put them down when I need that burst of color or just the shape. So I do have a basic scrap pile. So that is the bird that I have in mind for today. I'm just kind of playing around with different shapes with my collage papers. That's another jelly print I used on deli paper, and I used a bubble wrap basically to make that pattern. And this is just a very soft yellow that I'm using to kind of bring in some different color, some water drips. I love water drips. I always include them. They're just like an easy way to kind of make things messy and not get too precious about any piece. So this is fluorescent pink mixed with a little white. Just kind of wanted to get that color down and put that print in the background because the paper didn't seem to match to me. So what I'm doing is kind of like a reverse stamp. I put the paint down first, put a stencil down, and then took the paint off. It's a very subtle look, but I like it. And then this is a dauber, just like a finger dauber with white paint. Just kind of blending in that paper to the background with some stencils. Adding in some different color. And this is a white stamp that I'm using. I'm actually painting on acrylic paint and then just kind of stamping it around. I love subtle stamps like this. I have a hard time using black for stamps because I feel like it is so obvious. But I do like a nice white stamp. So just kind of putting different shapes down, seeing what feels good, what looks good to me, what do I enjoy? That's all about what I'm doing here is just having fun and playing. And here are some ideas I have. I'm just trying them out, see what they look like. Now, this bird I'm using, I actually printed this on copy paper. And then I didn't love the heaviness of it. Like it wasn't very see through, obviously. So I accidentally used it as kind of the rub off from my jelly plate brayer. And I like the color that it was on the left side, kind of like a greenish blue. So that's what I'm using. And that little collage piece down below is just something I printed off the internet. It was a royalty free sign. I think it's French. Some more collage pieces. I don't really have a rhyme or reason on how I do it. I just keep adding different shapes and colors till it feels right to me, feels balanced. This is a little sticker and it was shiny, but it's a wing. And I added a little gesso on top to dull it out so it wasn't, I don't really like shiny. My Posca paint pen, one of my favorite art supplies to use. And then I thought it needed a little bit of a border, so just kind of drawing a border around all these end marks, give it a little bit more of a finished look. And then I kind of made a mistake around the border, went a little wider, so just add some marks in, little diversion. It's all a big experiment anyway, kind of playing around. And then there is my sentiment lifted. It's on deli paper, so it's very light. And a little splatters with my pen. And then I just felt like it needed a little something more there, so I'm adding in some marks with my paint pen. This is kind of the final part of any piece of work for me. I always just add some marks at the end. And then here is the final piece. You can see all the details. A lot of collage layers, a lot of different shapes. Just having fun with it. And there is lifted. I hope you have enjoyed watching this today. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate your support. Hope to see you next time.